Fairness means everyone having the chance to do well, irrespective of their beginning.
When a space shuttle leaves the Earth, it requires a great velocity to exit the atmosphere. Escape velocity is the minimum speed required for a massive object to break free. The first British person in space was a woman named Helen Sharman, and she was ordinary.
I always used to think, like, how the f*** did I get here?
She was driving to work one day when she switched on the radio, and she heard an advert to join the Russian space program. She applied and she was selected. And it just goes to show that if you work hard, if you're focused, if you're driven, then you can achieve.
Prove my worth. Not prove my worth, I'd give my parents something to be proud of.
Not everybody can be a winner. Somebody's got to lose. And I'm sorry, but if there's a choice, that's not going to be me.
Lift off.